Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the basic things that you have to consider before starting a design for a die cut sticker. So the first thing that you will require is a software like CorelDRAW, Illustrator, Photoshop or Procreate. The first two like CorelDRAW and Illustrator are the vector based softwares, while the latter two like Photoshop and Procreate are the raster based softwares. We'll go into these two types of softwares in details in some later video. Before starting a designing project or die cut sticker designing artwork, you have to decide what sort of size that you're looking for, what exactly size that you're looking for. So if you're looking for a 3 inches sticker that is to be printed, simply enter the canvas size or page size in case of CorelDRAW as 3 inches by 3 inches. See, the width is 3 inches, the height is 3 inches and the resolution is 300 dpi. So the 300 dpi resolution here in case does not refer to the vector art that you will be creating. It refers to the bitmap or raster art that is going to be embedded into this particular software. So let's start with 3 by 3 inches sticker. So I have a PDF that I'm going to import. So this is basically a vector art. So you can see that no matter how much zoom I make, it is not going to get pixelated. So I can easily scale up or scale down this particular artwork. This is not the case in case of raster based softwares. Please keep this in mind. So it does not basically matter in what canvas size you design in case of CorelDRAW or Illustrator, but at the same time make sure that if you are using a bitmap or a image in addition to this particular vector artwork, you have to remember that you have to go for the largest size available for your canvas, as big as possible, that your system can support or your software can support. In case of raster based softwares or working with images, you might have taken the canvas size as 3 by 3 inches, but the main thing here is that you are not going to draw the entire 3 by 3 inches edge to edge while designing the artwork. So it's better to have a bigger canvas. I'll show you the thing that happens. So this is basically the image. So this particular artist has left so much of white space in its design. So currently it's 651 dpi, you can see over here. So when you supply such a image for printing, and let's say you wanted a 3 inches sticker, see what happens when you remove the unwanted white space. So in this 3 by 3 inches canvas, the actual design is 1 inch by 1 point, approximately 3 inches only. So when I scale it to 3 inches, the resolution has gone down to 279 dpi. So this you have to compensate while designing itself. Make sure that probably you have to design with 6 by 6 inches canvas. So now I cannot increase or upscale its resolution without losing its quality. See, I have, if you wanted a 6 inches probably sticker for this particular image or design, the resolution is hardly 143. This is like half the required amount. I need 300 dpi or more at actual size. So this is what happens when you design with a small actual size canvas, that the size that you're looking for, and design like a bit on that only. So it's better to take like bigger canvas and draw small, but not too small. Again, why, if I remove the white space, the resolution should not drop below 300 dpi. In the third case, you are using a vector based software, but there are some elements that you have to use which are bitmap or raster based. So basically this dog is a vector artwork, while this flower wrath is a raster artwork. So in this case, though this flower design is at 300 dpi and these two are combined, and if you are looking for a 3-inch sticker, so when I make this artwork as 3 inches, the dog or the vector art is not losing its details or resolution, while this flower arrangement has gone to 200 dpi. So this is what happens when you use two formats in one file, but you chose the wrong canvas size for this particular design. So make sure that you always start with a bigger canvas size, and then you can scale it down, which might increase the resolution, but which is anyways good for printing, rather than losing the resolution while upscaling or increasing the size of the product that you are looking for. So basically these are the three main things that you have to remember always before starting a designing project. Whether you are using a raster based software or a vector based software, it will depend on that. But if you are using a raster based software like Procreate or Photoshop, you have to start with a bigger canvas. In case of a single product like die cut sticker, if you are designing a brochure like A4 size brochure, then you have to design in A4 size brochures only. That becomes more convenient. The next is 300 dpi resolution. You have to make sure that you start any project with 300 dpi resolution. And the third one is CMYK color model. Make sure that your RGB color model is not on, or that option is not checked. So that's it. These are the three things that you have to remember before designing a die cut sticker.